First of all, we have to take the musta powder, which is 100 grams, and then 1.5 liters of milk. Now you can see we are adding the vacha, which is about 10 grams, and it should be taken on a muslin cloth. Now you can see all the edges of the muslin cloth to be folded like this, holding in the hand. By the right hand, you can plug like this. We have to add milk into the vessel, which is 1.5 liters, and we are adding the pottery here. It should be immersed in the milk, and we are adding 6 liters of water to the milk, and we are boiling it until it is reduced to 1.5 liters. Then now we are preparing the kashaya here. We are taking 2.5 liters of water, and then we are adding 100 grams of amalaki churna. Then it is boiled until it is reduced to 1.5 liters. It is fermented overnight by adding the curd. Now we are taking that pottery and we are churning that medicated buttermilk, which is fermented overnight. Now we are filtering that medicated takra to take out the butter, and now we are adding avalaki kashaya, which is 1.5 liters. Finally, we are mixing the both, and we are ready to pour into this dhara. Before that, we used to churn it, and we need to pour it in that shirodhara patra for takradhara. This is the traditional method of takradhara which is followed in Kerala, and this procedure is takradhara.